Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Black and White on PC, updated. Start by downloading a compatible emulator and place the ROM in a safe folder before launching. Configure controls, set display to 16:9 if desired, and enable save states for quick backups. Test audio and speed settings, then load your ROM and begin playing with keyboard or controller input. Install an emulator that supports Nintendo DS titles and ensure your PC meets basic requirements before continuing. Open emulator settings and map keyboard or controller buttons to match handheld inputs for comfort. Set graphics options to balance performance and visuals, enable frame skip only if necessary, and test audio latency for smooth gameplay. Locate the ROM in the emulator's load menu and select the correct region version to avoid compatibility issues. Enable save states as a secondary backup and remember to use the in-game save system for official saves like badges and trades. If you need patches, apply them before launching to keep game stability and preserve your progress during updates or mod use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.